friend was asking why people develop protein allergies while they have been taking the proteins maybe since they were born or something like that. So let's say, for example, when a child is born, they take milk. Milk contains proteins. And now people are wondering why do they develop protein allergies thereafter. So the main explanation for this thing is that people develop allergies to protein when their immune system kind of mistakes them for a threat. So when the immune system mistakes the protein for a threat, it will cause the immune system to produce some antibodies that will attack the protein. And when it attacks the protein, it will then trigger the allergic reaction. Let's say some people experience itching, some redness, and maybe some diarrhea. So you know how this thing happens? When the immune system encounters a protein for the first time, it will produce antibodies to the protein. Then the antibodies will react to the protein, which causes the immune system to produce the chemicals. And when it produces the chemicals, that's when the allergic reactions happen. Like some people will experience redness, some will experience itching, some can vomit, some will diarrhea, and all sorts of things like that. So, you know why people are likely to be allergic to protein? The main three reasons are: the first one will be genetics, then the other one is age, and the other one is the immune system. So in terms of genetics, there are people who have existing allergies, like some might be having asthma. So when people have the pre-existing allergic reactions, it's very easy for them to develop allergies to the protein. Then the other one is age. So let's say children under 4 years are the ones that mostly experience the food allergies, the protein allergies, or rather the food allergies in general. Then the third one will be the changes in the immune system. So when the immune system changes over time, sometimes it might be difficult to really determine the cause of the allergies that comes from protein. You understand? So the foods that are common allergens in children, mostly you'll find that when they take milk, when they take eggs, peanuts, and something like that, they will experience the allergies. And adults, mostly when they take peanuts, when they take fruits, and maybe some sort of type of fish, they will experience the allergies. And also something that I researched about, it's called the leaky gut syndrome. So the leaky gut syndrome happens when protein enters the bloodstream through an intestinal barrier. So when this happens, it will cause the immune sensitization, and this will make someone allergic to a protein in some cases, but I think very rare cases of that. So this goes to the last thing about managing the protein allergies. So I think the best thing to manage an allergy is just to do the avoidance thing. So if you avoid the type of food that brings you allergies, you shall have known how to contain it. So the next thing is about some guys can resort to medication. Maybe they take like antihistamines just to manage the allergy. And also some other guys can do like desensitization therapy where they can do immunotherapy just to at least manage the allergy over time. And this will help them maybe in the long run to again go back to the protein. Yeah, because let's say most of the guys, they don't take meat, and meat is very sweet. Yeah, so that can bring you a lot of problems, because if you don't take meat, bro, and that's the sweetest thing on earth, I don't know. Anyway, that is it for just an explanation in a layman's language that will help at least people to understand why protein allergies happen. Thank you.